Hey guys, on today's video we are going to do a chit chat, get ready with me. Put them on while you guys are getting ready as well. But before we get started, my name is Alejandra and on this channel I bring you guys products that simplify your beauty routine or solve any beauty concerns. So if you guys are a product junkie just like I am, please consider subscribing. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my lips. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So today I'm uploading on a Tuesday because I missed my video from yesterday. So just for this week, I'm gonna post Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday so that we have 3 videos for the week. And then next week we'll go on our regular scheduled programming. So I primed my face with the facial soothing facial mist, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the moisturizer on my face. And if you guys do have any questions regarding any products, leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to reply to those questions. So I'm just gonna talk about random stuff. I have an appointment later on that I have to make at 11, so this is why I'm getting ready. And then I'll probably go shopping and cook. I've been slacking on cooking, but I really need to cook something. I'm gonna put the Marc Jacobs, I don't think this is available anymore. This is the Genious Gel Supercharged Foundation. But if you guys do find it and have oily combo skin, this is a really good one. I think it's like, since it's like a gel consistency, it's really good. I like it. So I think I missed Friday's video and yesterday's video. I've been really sick and so I've been on antibiotics, and I feel like the antibiotics are really making me like weak. I don't know if this antibiotic is like strong, but it's making me really weak. So that's why I was like not feeling myself on Thursday. And usually Thursdays is when I film to upload on Friday. And then yesterday I ended up calling off from work because I didn't feel well. And I just didn't do anything. So I'm not quite done with the antibiotics, but maybe I just need to drink a lot more water. My boyfriend keeps saying, you need to drink water, you need to drink water. I don't drink as much water as I should. I like this foundation because it's not a full coverage. When I look in a foundation is like a medium coverage, and this one is medium. You can easily build it up, and the finish is kind of like, it's not matte, it's like a skin like finish. It's kind of satiny. It's not super glowy or anything, and I feel like on days that I do have any dry patches around my cheeks, which is usually where I get dry, I don't get like that build up on those dry areas. So I think that if you do have like dry skin, you might like it. I don't even know why I'm talking about this foundation because, like I said, I don't think it's available anymore. But if you guys find it, let me know because I might want to get another one and you should get one. Just gonna do the concealer Super Stay by Maybelline. So tomorrow is my friend's daughter's birthday, and we are gonna go out to celebrate. So I have to go buy a gift. I don't know what to get her. Her daughter is like my spirit child. Her and I are both Pisces, and everything that she does, I'm like, oh my god, that's so me. Usually a Pisces is like more on the quieter side. We live in our own little world. We space out. We're more shy at the beginning, and then I guess you can, once you get comfortable, then you kind of show more of your truer self. So she's kind of shy. I think she's getting used to me because I feel like I'm always at their family gatherings and stuff. I'm like family for them now. But I love that little girl. Her name's Natalie, but we call her Bunkers. So yes. I've been really liking this powder now. This is the Banana Luxury Powder. I've been using it all month under my eyes, and I feel like it does a good job to prevent any creasing, especially if the concealer isn't that well at holding itself up. This powder really does help. I actually have been liking it better than the AOA banana powder. So, in case you guys are wondering, this is the banana powder. I'm gonna put the Maybelline Fit Me powder all over my face. This is in the color medium. Just to set that foundation. Alright, so what else should I talk about? So my boyfriend, so in this house we have 4 bedrooms. I've been filming in my own bedroom. So I've been telling him, I'm like, I feel so bad because our bedroom looks like half a bedroom and half a studio with all the lights and stuff. And this drawer behind me is actually a drawer where we keep our socks and our underwear and everything. And I've been making it my backdrop, but I just can't use any other bedrooms because one of them is being used by his sister, who she's in and out of college, and I think she's back now, but she's at her parents' house because it's closer to her internship. And so I don't want to use her room because sometimes she does come over. And then we have our bedroom, and then his mom used to live with us, but now she's at a senior home. So, but she has all her stuff in her bedroom, and again, I don't want to move that. Like, that's her bedroom. You know, we're hoping that she does get a little bit better, and then hopefully she gets to come back home. So the one bedroom that is left it was pretty much like a storage bedroom. So what he's been working on is getting it ready so that I can call that my beauty room. So I'm excited. He had to fix it because I think we had some like water from outside coming in when it would rain really, really hard. So he's been fixing all the water damage on it, and make sure that it never happened again. So he fixed something from outside. I don't know anything like what you do, but he was outside and now he's inside. Now the walls look like new. And I think he's gonna put carpet, we're gonna paint, and so eventually I'll have a new backdrop, a new room, and it'll be exciting. He works a lot, so he's doing it at his own pace, and I don't want to like hurry him up. I'm sure he wants to hurry it up too, because like I said, I have all of this in our bedroom, and I know it's kind of annoying, so I know he wants to get it done too, because not only if he gets it done, he gets to have back his man cave, because in the basement, it's a finished basement, but again, I have a lot of my stuff there too. So I used to do hair from home. So I used to color and cut hair at home, and I kind of took over his man cave, and I have my chair, my mirror, and all of that. So once he gets to finish my beauty room, I'll probably have all of that in the room. So it'll look like kind of like a salon / beauty room. And I'm still deciding whether I want to do hair from home again. I don't know. For now, I don't, because it's just so hard to work a full-time job and still want to do YouTube and then do hair at home. It's just a little harder. So that's where we're at right now. So if you guys were curious, the e.l.f. eyeshadow base is really good, better than the actual concealers that I've been putting on my eye. Oh, something else that I wanted to tell you guys is I finally made an appointment to get my eyebrows microbladed after doing so much research and stalking this particular place that does them. They have like an Instagram or Facebook, Snapchat. I'm sure they have a Twitter and all that stuff, but I don't have that. After asking all the questions and everything, I finally decided to book an appointment. I have to wait till April because they are booked solid February and March. And so my appointment, I think, is April 5th or April 12th. And I'm gonna get my eyebrows microbladed. And hopefully, I just bought this one like 3 weeks ago. I think I'm gonna have to buy one more. But hopefully after I buy that one, hopefully that's the last pencil that I have to buy, because if you guys don't know what microblading is kind of like a cosmetic tattoo, and they enhance your eyebrow. Now, if you think about an eyebrow tattoo, most of us think about like the whole thing painted on. Kind of old school, but nowadays with the new technology that they have, they make it look so natural. It's unbelievable. So the studio that I'm gonna go get them done by, the girl's name is Anaí, and it's called Reve Studio or Reve Microblading. If you guys want to follow them, I'll link their page down below, and then that way you guys can see their work. They're based out of Chicago. They do have 2 locations within this area. They have one in Chicago, and then they have one in Oak Brook, which is the one that I'm going to. It's just a little bit closer to my house, and maybe not closer, but a little bit more convenient, because once I go into the city, the traffic is just unbelievable. So I'm gonna drive into Oak Brook, which is about 25 minutes from where I live, and they are out of, I think, Phoenix Salon Suites. So that's really convenient. Hopefully come April, my eyebrows will be better looking even without makeup. So I'm just so excited. I'm gonna use, I'm dropping stuff. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner. It's really cool. It's like angled down, like a slant down, and then this is the tip. It's a weird tip, but I'm gonna use that to line. Now this one's a little harder for me to line, but it's just easier that I don't have to get a brush and dip it in the gel pot. So bear with me. Don't think I like it, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't know why this is like so much harder for me to do than like gel liner, but it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara. I'm just gonna use the Lash Princess mascara. This is the Sculpted Volume one, or the purple one. I always just refer to them as colors. There's a purple, there's an orange, there's a green. I'm not gonna put anything on my lips. I'm just gonna reapply the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, because like I said, my lips are always chapped, and I feel like this is the only thing that can really control them, and they instantly feel like they're being hugged by moisture and hydration. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this Chatty Get Ready with me. I didn't have a lot to say, but I hope that it at least entertained you while you did your makeup. And if you guys have any questions again on any of the products that I used, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.